Welcome to Goa, the capital city. Panjim, Panaji or Ponche. All three names are commonly mentioned. This is the beautiful newly constructed Panjim Bridge. The famous casinos where all the happenings take place. Beautiful view from any location. The pride of Goa. Another amazing view of the beautiful church from far off. The Miramar Beach, well-known beach but not much of a crowd coming in there. The very famous church, well known for movie shoots and photo shoots. The Fernandes, another Portuguese famous area for many movie shoots. Old Goa, not much details required as the place is already famous worldwide. For more details of all these famous tourist spots, visit my blog called Goa My Goa. The Monte Hill Church, which is located little away from the St. Francis Xavier Church, say about 5 minutes distance. The Arvalem Caves, not much to talk about but quite well known amongst the locals in Goa. I am providing the links below of all these places. For details, please visit the site to gather more and more information. Now let's visit the beaches. The Anjuna, around 20 kilometers from Panjim. The tourists love this beach. Arvalem Beach, around 50 kilometers from Panjim city, as usual famous, a must-visit beach. Calangute Beach, the 5-star rated beach, dubbed as the Queen of Beaches, most popular beach, about 15 kilometers from Panjim. The Baga Beach attracts thousands of tourists, very famous for water sports. one of the most famous beaches in the north, clean and beautiful. Margao, welcome to Margao, the next famous city of Goa. The beautiful, the Holy Spirit Church. This is Margao's center spot, the old post office and the Aga Khan Garden side by. The Portuguese built the Margao Municipal Council. Margao or Margao, both are spelt and both are commonly known. The one and only Margao or Margao railway station existing since the Portuguese rule. Let's visit the famous Budbud Thali or the Bubble Lake, the Gopinath temple located in Sangay. That's about 40 kilometers from Margao, little more than an hour's drive from Margao city. The famous Cabo de Rama fort located in Canacona, originally a Hindu structure, rebuilt in the year 1763 by the Portuguese, one of the oldest and the largest fort in Goa. The distance from Margao is approximately 30 kilometers, say about 1 hour's drive. One can get a beautiful view of the sea from the top of the fort, a must-visit fort. The Butterfly Beach. This is a butterfly-shaped beach, hence the name. To reach this beach is not easy as there is no proper road leading there, but certainly an adventurous experience and worth visiting. Nice and quiet beach, ideal for family visits. Welcome to Colva Beach. Well, not much details are required to be mentioned because this beach is famous worldwide, just around 8 kilometers from Margao city. Have a look, a must-visit beach by any means, the Colva Beach. The Galgibaga Beach. This beach is located in Konkani, where the Palolem Patnem beaches are located. I will cover those beaches also later here in this video, so keep watching. The Galgibaga Beach is approximately 44 kilometers. That's about 1 hour's drive from Margao, which is at the end of the Goa border. This beach is also known as the Turtle Beach, a hidden treasure. The beach is located on the banks of the Galgibaga River, which gives a picturesque view. This beach is 2 kilometers from the Patnem Beach and about 6 kilometers from the very famous Palolem Beach. Welcome to Palolem Beach, the very famous beach and a beautiful one. The beach is very famous amongst the foreign tourists, I would say discovered by the hippies since in the year 1960s or 70s. A gorgeous looking beach, highly recommended for tourists. Patnem Beach, again a top beach, can be covered at the same time along with the Galgibaga Beach and the Palolem Beach. Hope you guys will like this video. I have covered the most important tourist spots which every tourist coming to Goa should visit. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share your precious views. Don't forget to check out the article links given below here so that you can get more details of all these famous places. Well, viewers, take care and bye-bye until I see you with another video. Goodbye.